Unveiling the meaning, is that a euphemism? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might come across in English conversations. Is that a euphemism? This phrase can be a bit tricky to understand, especially if English isn't your first language. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. First things first, let's break down what a euphemism is. A euphemism is a word or phrase that's used to replace another word or phrase that might be considered harsh, impolite, or uncomfortable to hear. Euphemisms are often used to talk about topics like death, bodily functions, and other sensitive subjects in a more polite or vague way. For example, saying, passed away, instead of died, is a euphemism. It softens the language and makes the topic easier to discuss. Now that we understand what a euphemism is, let's talk about the phrase, is that a euphemism? This question is usually asked when someone wants to clarify whether the speaker is using a euphemism or if they mean something else entirely. It can also suggest that the listener suspects the speaker is trying to avoid direct language or is hinting at a double meaning. For example, if someone says, he's spending a lot of time with the fishes, and you ask, is that a euphemism? You're wondering if they're using a nicer way to say that someone is dead, referencing the idiom, sleeping with the fishes. Recognizing and understanding euphemisms is crucial for a few reasons. First, it helps you better understand the context and subtleties of conversations. This can be especially important in professional settings, where direct language might be avoided for diplomacy's sake. Second, being aware of euphemisms allows you to be more sensitive to your conversation partner's feelings, especially when discussing difficult topics. Lastly, knowing how and when to use euphemisms can make your English sound more natural and fluent. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, is that a euphemism? We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing part of the English language and will help you navigate conversations more confidently. Remember, language is not just about the words we use but also about understanding the context and emotions behind them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.